Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be going over how to create source records and target records. If you're wanting to add a source record for a file, there are a couple ways you can do that. You can click on the plus icon and you can just enter the name of the record and list any columns here on separate lines. Alternatively, you can create a record by importing a schema and it will create the record for you. Here's an example of a schema which you might import. You don't necessarily need all of these columns, but you should have the name and the type, and if it's a fixed width file, you should have the length as well. If you are using a multi-record file and you have multiple source records, you can select which column should be used for the record identifier. Source records for databases are created by clicking the plus icon, typing the name of the source record, and then typing in a SQL select statement to get the columns that you want. Creating a record for a standard object table is very simple. You just press the plus icon right here, and then choose the parent record of the table you're wanting to create. I want it to be the person-employer table, so I'm going to say account.person. The object type is going to be the person-employer, and then I am going to change this to, say, debtor1employer, and then I press add, and now I have a new record. Creating a target record is pretty much the same as creating a source record, but if you're creating a target record for a database, then you have another option. You can click on Create Staging Table, and it will create a staging table in the database with the same columns as your source.